Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Today I will teach you the lesson weather and climate in social studies, lesson number 5. Now let us see what is weather. Weather is defined as the condition of air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall in the atmosphere at a given place and time. Weather changes every day. It may be hot and dry today, but tomorrow it may be rainy and wet. So children, weather changes every day. There is a difference between weather and climate. The weather conditions in the morning may be different from that in the evening. Changes in weather conditions give rise to seasons in India. We enjoy 3 seasons: summer, winter and monsoon. Our lifestyle varies according to seasons. It differs according to season. It can be different according to seasons. It influences what we eat, what we wear and even the type of houses we live in. It also determines the crops that farmers grow. Climate. Now this is weather and what is climate. The weather conditions that prevail over a large area and for a long period of time is called climate. The climate of a place remains more or less the same. It remains the same year after year. Different parts of the world have different types of climate on the basis of the prevailing climatic conditions. The world can be divided into 7 major climatic regions. See map 5.1 and name the regions. Now this is the map children, and there are 7 major climatic regions. What influences climate? Many factors influence the distribution of heat on earth, thereby affecting the climate. Let us read about them. There are many factors which influence the distribution of heat on earth. Let us read about them. Distance from the equator. Look at figure 5.1. The rays of the sun fall on the surface of the earth. Near the equator, these rays are vertical and are spread over a small area. As we move away from the equator and towards the poles, the rays become slanting and cover a large area. Thus, places near the equator receive more heat, and these places are hotter than those which are away from the equator. Now, children, this is direct rays near the sun. The rays are direct near the equator, so it is hotter than the other part, and as we move away from the equator towards the poles, they become slanting. As you can see in the picture, slanting rays of near the poles. So near the poles it is cold. Slanting rays near the poles. So near the equator the rays are direct, so it is hotter, and near the poles it is cold. Now, height above the sea level. You know that hill stations such as Shimla, Nainital and Ooty are cool even in summers. Most peaks in the Himalayas are covered with snow and ice even during summers. This shows that places located at higher altitudes means height, mountains are high, are colder than those at lower altitudes even if they are situated on the same latitude. So it depends on the height of the sea level also. In the mountains it is cold, but in the plains it is not cold. Distance from the sea. Places near the coast have a moderate climate. The places which are near the sea, they are having a moderate climate. Moderate means it is neither too hot nor too cold here. This is due to the effect of sea breezes. Water bodies heat up and cool down at a slower rate than land. In summer, therefore, the sea is cooler than the land. Hence, air over the sea is cooler than over the land. This cool air, called sea breeze, blows from sea to land, making the land cooler. In winter, the opposite happens and the land becomes warmer. Places from the sea do not get sea breeze, so they are extremely hot in summer and very cold in winter. Such a climate is called extreme climate. Let us compare the climatic conditions of Delhi and Chennai. Chennai is located along the coast while Delhi is located far away from the coast. As Chennai is nearer to the equator, it should be hotter than Delhi in summer season, but this is not so. Chennai experiences a mild climate throughout the year as it is near the coast. Direction of winds. Winds blowing from hot regions increase the temperature of a place, while those blowing from cold regions decrease the temperature. Delhi is hot in summer due to the dry hot winds that blow from Rajasthan. In winter, cold winds from Himalayas make northern India very cold. Winds blowing from the sea make the lands close to the sea cool and moist. Sometimes winds bring clouds with them and cause rainfall. Humidity and rainfall. Moisture or water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Humid air causes rainfall. Places near the equator are hot and humid and receive a lot of rainfall. Air over deserts does not have moisture, so these places receive very little or no rainfall. Very cold places experience snowfall. The amount of rainfall and the season when it falls also influence the climate of a place. So children, thank you and have a nice day.